Something's not right.
All right. We're back after some technical difficulties of Old Nook Cottage. Ground check.
All right. 5 objects to be collected.
RB is to sprint. That's not the controller I'm using, but okay. I do have a time limit on the ground check. All good things must come to an end.
No.
I don't think we should touch that.
I think you should pick it up.
It's probably there for a reason.
Never mind.
Just
That
fucking
actually
stabs
scared me. It actually scared me.
What is that?
Head slippers. What is that?
Poop!
Oh.
With your hands.
Yeah, slurps it up.
There's one more piece.
I like how the gnome stabbed me through the palm of my hand when I grabbed it. With its head.
Well, you drove your hand down onto the spike.
There's
You
one
drove
more.
the spike. Hey. Ramsey.
Get off my sandwich.
Ground check
Oi,
is impossible.
Yeet. Get off my
There's
sandwich.
one more.
There sure is.
Oh.
Right there.
What was
Go.
it?
even know what it
Now,
was.
go!
All right. 5 to 6.
Hold X. Okay,
5 to 6 for cut height.
here we go. All right. Ooh, okay, yeah, perfect. All right, 5.
Hold on. Change your cut height.
No, it's at 5. It's at 5.
Hold on. Hit start. It might change because of it's a different mower.
5 to
There you
6.
go. All right. Where's the blower at?
It's a mulcher. It's a mulcher type. It doesn't blow. It mulches.
If you want to get off the vehicle, press. Okay, tell me how to turn it on.
How do you turn the blades on?
Oh no.
X.
Press different buttons. Triangle.
Hit pause and look at the button layout.
We gotta get this done.
Oh, there it is.
Right there. Right there. Right there.
No. It interact. It white. It X. X.
Did it work?
No,
The blades aren't engaged.
they sure aren't.
You have to lower the front deck. This one has a like a lower.
Lower deck.
Oh. Oh.
Okay, there we go. Now we hit X. and
What
get
the heck?
Hey.
So I
ow.
can just. Oh,
You're
this is
wasting
nice.
time.
Don't floor it.
This is nice.
Make it nice and easy.
See. Oh, that's too funny.
I like
Okay,
a first
ooh.
person.
Yeah, this is nice. Yeah, I can look down and be like, yep. See, this is what the game is all about.
Get a good solid cut.
Nice, clean, crispy cut.
Nice, clean.
You.
The fucking bushes, man.
Cut.
They're my arch enemies like in real life. I trim for the trees, but the trees do not trim for me.
Alright, here's what we're gonna do. You're gonna do 2 passes around the outside. Around the outside, around the
I had that same thought. You beat me to it.
Then,
I've created a monster, but nobody wants to see monster no more. They watch it. Sorry.
Continue.
then you're gonna do 1 diagonal cut from the corner of this wall to the outer edge.
Don't forget that. No, do it
Divide
later.
it into 2 pieces. Got stuck. What are you doing?
It's turning very odd.
What are you doing?
It turns very strange. Whoops.
Just leave the blades on.
I don't want to blow anything.
It's a mulcher type, it doesn't blow.
Yeah, it says the fucking mulcher.
You don't move.
If I had a nickel for every time I watched Mikey chew on a piece of wood until it turned into mulch.
I'd have 2 nickels, but it's weird that I have 2 of them. Oh.
Why?
Oh.
Why does it
Your
turn
ass
that way?
is
Keep
fat.
turning.
It keeps turning in a weird. It like doesn't.
Because you're hitting your front end off it. You're dumbass. It's too hot.
Okay, yeah, you play this. Oh my!
Whoa!
The gods are angry.
This god
You have angered the gods. Even in Lawnmower Simulator, I cannot escape them. The gods of Noita. That's another game I can play. We should just watch me
you
die another 600
repeatedly.
times. I wish that someday I may complete it. Even the basic end. You know?
Yeah.
I have no idea what you're talking about.
Yeah, because you're basic, Mikey.
Because you're fucking based.
Listen, pal, I ain't the bad guy here.
You're cringe.
You are cringe.
Oh, nice.
Mikey is devastatingly cringe. Write a comment about it. Fuck.
Write a comment about how great the goal is.
Don't.
Doubt, because everyone likes me. Everywhere.
Didn't like you in Albania. There were children in that hospital.
Going too fast.
Oh, getting ahead of myself.
You're thinking about those children you killed in the hospital.
Picturing their heads on this
What?
I just
What?
popped them like melons.
Sounds like I'm running over a dead branch.
Alright. It's one of the only... what was the name of that movie? There was a horror movie that I watched when I was in high school. It's like one of the only horror movies that actually freaked me out, and one of the scenes was like the ghost or whatever, like made the kid like run his family over with a lawnmower, and it made a terrible sound. It was fucking terrible.
Lawnmower Man.
Yep. I think it was like the Boogeyman or something weird.
Hey, can you get out of the screen? Thank you. You know, they're
Talking
ruining
to
my
people.
immersion.
I wonder if he's gonna edit in there.
I'll be a picture
of the mower.
Get a picture of Matt.
Oh, don't. It's very large.
And his home address.
A hand-painted portrait of Matt and his home address.
Dude, Mikey, I'll comment on all the videos of your home address.
Do it or I'll comment.
And subscribe.
And
Comment and subscribe for my real life home address.
See, this is nice because I can like throttle this on the fucking trigger here. This is very nice.
Alright. What are we gonna do?
Go ahead and tell me what the fuck I want to do. Go ahead.
Okay. I'll tell you when to stop. Just keep going around like this. Give you enough room that you can turn around. Botch. Don't do that. Okay. Keep following the curve. What are you doing?
What are you doing? He said we were gonna do this as nice as we could.
This is nice.
Not
And
the
a
wolf
cat.
kid.
Okay, take
Go
a
on.
straight line. Don't worry that you're not cutting all the grass. Take a straight line.
No, cut all the grass. Don't cut a straight line.
Yes, straight line. Straight line.
Touch my mouse.
Wolf's being assaulted by his cats.
He is getting thrown off course. Okay, now turn around and go back. You have enough room to turn around?
Oh, I like the design, like what it does to the grass. Like when you drive into it when it's long.
Alright, we might have to do one more pass to,
Cut. Just cut it. Go.
yeah, just cut. Go. Straight back.
We have no time for this.
No, just follow the same path you had going on. Like he's trying to be fancy. He doesn't even know what he's doing.
What do you mean?
He doesn't even know what he's doing. Just keep following it in circles like this. Try again.
Try again to put me in a jar. Didn't end so well the last time, did it? Can't wait till I have enough money that I can just take on these incredible, like, Phantom of the Opera-esque escapades. Just to
Oh, you
fucking
missed
do.
a piece.
What the fuck?
Dude, how did you miss a piece?
Hold on, get out of the screen.
Aren't you glad you readopted cats?
Yeah, it's great.
Is
They're
it?
so
What are you
cute.
doing?
I can't believe you lost those last two in that insane fire. That
Yeah,
was
that
centralized
insane
completely in the
firework
backyard.
accident.
Yeah, Cole strapped a firework to the back of beans.
I strapped a giant fire, giant cartoon like.
Where are you
firework
going?
that says
What the
"Ow."
fuck is the matter with you? Fly.
You don't understand.
I
You're not on my
do.
level.
I understand that you don't have OCD.
Matt's never cut a blade
obviously.
of grass bigger than 2 inches before.
He doesn't understand Sigma males and their grass cutting abilities.
What?
Huh?
Isn't Sigma
It's
the
kind of
bad
like
one?
entrancing
What is that?
when I'm
Beta?
staring at it in first person. Like, they should make this in VR.
You want every game in VR.
Yeah, well, that's the future, baby. It's all about the Mets.
Fuck yeah, baby. It's all about the Empire.
This is the life, baby.
It's about the Mets. Let's go, baby. Love the Mets.
The Mets,
It's a
baby.
home
It's
run.
all about the Mets.
Why do you do that?
Do what?
Just fucking up.
Why do you cut
Oh.
these little circles first?
Because it gives me space
To do
For
what?
what?
to drive around it.
Why?
Makes it look better.
Just follow the curve.
No. I'm literally cutting the grass.
This is much better than last time. It is kind of entrancing.
Cutting the grass, more like grabbing ass. Get to work.
Do one more little circle around. And then
Now don't
go,
do it, just to spite it.
go back and do your other one. All about the Mets.
It's all about the Mets. Let's go. Gotta love the Mets.
Let's go.
Not to alarm you, but you got 15 minutes left to do this in.
What are you talking about?
Good project.
Yeah, 20. You need within 26 minutes is what they want.
Ooh. It's all about the Mets, baby. Let's go.
Not all about cutting grass.
Oh yeah, big stretches.
What if they added the big? What if they added? What
What if they added
When
big
you- when
stretchy
you-
mode
when
in
you
Lawnmower
sometimes-
Simulator?
when you- when
What do you want?
They added big stretchy mode in Lawnmower Simulator.
What if they added Impractical Joker Simulator?
I'd fucking play that.
I would love
That'd
that.
probably be pretty funny. They'd probably actually have some fucking meat to the game.
And tonight, Mikey is our big loser.
You beat him over the head with a sock full of quarters.
We ship him to Afghanistan to settle a conflict.
Way to get political, Cole.
What? Well, it's about politics.
Yeah. It's not always about politics, man.
It's about
the Mets. Let's go. Get a home run. Get a
I think your
home
best
run.
bet is the big stretches. The big stretchies. Are you like falling asleep in your chair, Cole? No! I thought
I
Middle
get
of the lawn.
I thought that
huge jumping bug does not kick around.
I thought that oh, you just missed a spot.
Oh, you're the type of guy that that wears a big, long stocking cap when you go to sleep and you snore like. It doesn't come out over the mic.
I heard it. I heard it. It's missing little pieces when it turns.
You're rushing it, Cole. Remember what Yoda said.
All about the Mets, it is.
Mike Rush, you will go to the next game.
It looks way much better. Way much better. Wow.
Momentum.
My brain.
That has much more
Much
momentum.
brain, many thought.
Can you tell that we worked
We
a little bit of overtime today?
It wasn't so bad.
It was for me,
Right.
because I didn't want to do your ticket.
I didn't want to do
Fucking-
our ticket.
The other guys were there. I didn't have to
I know,
be
I
there.
don't know why. I don't fucking.
It's
Could
funny.
have got that.
Correct.
But we did not.
All about them Mets.
It's all about the Mets, baby. See, look, now I can drive around it.
Just wasting fuel.
Whatever.
My life, baby.
Like the ignorant knave you are.
It's fucking his company, buddy.
It's literally Huge Effin' Cox Bluebird Incorporated.
Bluebird Incorporated.
Or whatever it is. Bluebird Attorney at Law.
Oh, you're overheating the engine.
So. Nice, nice, nice. Come on! So how about the Mets?
It doesn't turn as well as the other little guy, huh?
It doesn't, no.
You
So
guys
you
hear about
missed
the
a
guy
spot.
that got
Makes up
banned?
for it.
You hear about the guy that got banned from every strip club in the city because he walked in with tape on his shoes?
What?
To pick up the spilled bill.
What?
That is some cartoon villain shit.
Is this a real thing?
Oh, that's what it says.
Oh, yeah. All right. I believe you.
I believe Twitter entirely.
What is cold doing?
I missed a patch.
What?
Hold on. That's better, actually. That's good. What the hell is Scorpion doing in Boston?
Great. Thank you. Stop!
What? What?
Why would you sneeze into the microphone? It sounded like this. It was like.
Literally, like, cartoonishly blew a fucking whirlwind at us.
And now Cole, Cole's all small now. You hear him?
Yeah, see what happens?
Far away.
Am I still small?
Yeah.
Oh my god, Cole,
You
you're so
did. You
small,
blew him
man.
far away. He blew away in his hot air balloon.
See what happens. And it's
Still small.
Am I still small?
Yep.
What the heck, dude?
Jesus. Gee willikers.
You should just kill this piece over here, so that way you don't have to come back.
Cole, you have such crackhead energy.
Literally one.
What does that mean?
Excommunicate yourself.
Oh, there you go. He's big again.
Well,
Excommunicate yourself
excommunicate.
from the Catholic Church. Excommunicate yourself.
He?
Yes.
YMCA.
I was only acting.
We should play that game.
What?
Breaking Bad.
Yeah.
What game?
There probably is a meth cooking simulator.
What game?
Nice, yeah.
Far Cry 6.
What?
Road Rage 6.
Far Cry 6. Why were you so astounded?
What?
As you went.
I had to
Roid
burp.
Rage 6.
Keep your fucking bodily functions away from the microphone, please.
Your bodily fluids away.
Stop, I'm trying to do that, but I can't stop smiling.
Roid Rage 6.
I just keep picturing Matt's face. he just looks like Squidward.
What? Why?
Matt does look a lot like Squidward.
He does.
Organically, though. Super local knuckle, Bill Buckle, Muscle Banana, Truffle there.
You're gonna have one little strip you're gonna have to come back for.
He's coming back.
Better hurry. You only got 7 minutes.
Super knuckle, Bill Buckle, banana, mushroom, truffle there. Skin tone, chicken bone, leave me alone, baby.
And then you gotta do the entryways too, remember?
Entryways. I did those.
Both of them?
Yep. Look, I could end it right now. Just walk away from this job.
He left a
You know
big
what? I'm an
strip.
overachiever. I only guarantee 97%, ma'am. Goodbye. Auf Wiedersehen.
You missed. You
How did I
fucker.
miss?
You damaged the yard. Right at the end.
It's alright.
God, Cole.
I only guarantee 97%. No, what a weak yard. A weak-chinned snowflake yard.
Cutting complete.
It's
not complete.
not. Okay, game. The night is not done yet.
The night.
Contract complete. Reverse onto the trailer.
Alright. Think I can handle that?
Row up onto her yard.
Why?
Sorry.
Reverse onto the trailer.
It
Don't
took
pull
a
onto
lot
it.
of my took a lot
I
of my
get-
power.
I get very motion sick.
Why are you turning like
Are
that?
you
I
fucking...
swear to you guys, fucking drive over here right now and play this goddamn game, and you will understand.
I will.
It reverses itself. It becomes inverted. Ding dang. Thanks, you old fucking hag. Bye bye.
This is acceptable. I'll give you $280.
Wow, she gave fucking $27 fine for that one little skid mark.
Oh my god.
Collisions, $26.
Collisions?
What?
Oh.
Oh, her
Yeah,
arms.
I remember.
Well, fuck that bitch. You know,
Collision.
We were both like, what? Oh.
I work
forgot.
hard on this lawn.
Rent? Not now. This is rent. It's not rent-free country. Give me rent.
You'll get your rent when you fix this damn door!
Give me rent.